Hi guys, we're going to check out the Deerc D20. It's another little mini FPV drone that I've got connected to my phone through Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and check it out, see how it does. Thanks for watching. Took me a second there to figure out how this one started up. They're all a little bit different. Trim it out just a little bit. There we go, not bad. Not bad right out of the box. Okay, let's see. Camera button. Video started. There we go. Let's take her up in there. Nice. So far, so good. A smooth flying drone there. I like it. Headlights look really good. The red tail lights in the back. Keep your orientation. Nice. Wind's carrying it just a little bit, but you can fight it. It's on the slower setting right now, I believe. Check it real fast. That's on the higher one. I think that was on speed 2. That's 3 speed. Yeah, that cuts right through it, no problem. Probably not getting very good video at that speed. So I'm going to slow it back down to 1. Nice slow 360. Okay, I'm going to shut the camera off. Let me take a snapshot. Yeah, that's a cool sound. Just buttons over here. Short press, take pictures. Long press for video. I'm going to bring it back down. Try the 360 flips. That one comes down pretty quick. Put it in a faster speed. Breeze picking up a little bit. Hope you guys can see it okay here. Let's try a flip. Oh yeah. Nice tight flip. Come back over here. We can't see that in the trees. There we go. Cool. All directions it'll flip. Very neat. Very nice. little FPV drone. I think that's really cool. I'll put the video, the live video on this in the middle of the screen, probably toward the bottom. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Let's try to land this sucker. Yeah, look at that, right in the circle. Cool deal. I'm glad I got this one. You guys should check it out. I'll get you one. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.